Hello everyone, welcome back to the Altcoin Media channel. If you're in crypto, you're probably wondering what's going on with Bitcoin. It is at $84,000 right now. Very super wild swings that are happening right now, and a lot of people are pointing fingers at something called the yen carry trade. Sounds complicated, right? Don't worry about it today. I'm going to break it down super simple, like explaining it to a friend over a cup of coffee. This is how we're going to break it down. We'll cover what it is, what is causing the drama at this point in time in 2026, and how it's going to mess up all the crypto pricing going forward. So stick around. This could explain a lot of the volatility you're actually seeing right now. Let's get to it. So back in 2024, there was a massive market crash blamed on the yen carry trade, unwinding. Stocks tanked, crypto tanked. It was complete chaos. Fast forward to January 2026, and it's making headlines once again. Bitcoin and the Japanese yen are moving together more than ever. When the yen gets stronger, big things happen in crypto. But when the yen carry trade finally dies and drags crypto down with it, it's not going to be a very good situation, all right? Okay, so let's keep this very super simple. Imagine you're borrowing money from a friend who charges almost zero interest. You take that cheap cash, you convert it into dollars and invest in something risky that pays way more, like stocks and Bitcoin, hoping to make big profits. That's basically the yen carry trade. For years, Japan kept interest rates super low, near zero, or even negative. So big investors like hedge funds borrowed Japanese yen cheaply. They swapped it for dollars and poured it into higher return stuff, kind of like crypto. Why does it work? The carry is the profit from the interest difference. Plus, as long as the yen stays weak, you don't lose when paying back the loan. But here's the catch. If Japan's rates go up or the yen suddenly gets stronger, which it is, that cheap loan becomes very expensive. And this is going to cause a lot of people to buy back the yen very profusely at a higher price. And then there's the boom, and then the panic sell to actually cover the losses. So why all the drama? Let's go ahead and talk about this. The Bank of Japan, which is going to be the actual central bank of Japan, has been slowly raising the rates. They hiked the rate 75 basis points last year and just completely held it there in the January meeting. We just saw that they didn't go anywhere. They kind of left it neutral. This actually makes borrowing yen less cheap. Plus the yen has been strengthening. We're talking about the USD JPY pair, which dropped from over 160 last year to around 152 points. Now we're talking about 152 to 153 right now at this point in time. If this gets below 150, I gotta tell you guys, it's not going to be good. You're gonna see the unwinding and the demise of this actual situation that we call the carry trade. Now, there are even talks of the government intervening to prop up the actual yen even more. When the yen gets stronger, traders rush to repay their loans. They buy back yen and they sell their investments like crypto to get the cash back. It's a chain reaction. More selling equals price dropping and more panic. We saw this big time in 2024, and right now analysts are saying the carry trade is entering a dangerous phase, unquote. Now we must say this, it's not fully unwound at this point in time, but the risks are building. Now here's the big question, why crypto? Well, it's super risky and very speculative. This is perfect for yen carry trade money. It's very cheap funding and it helps pump Bitcoin and altcoins as well. But here's the catch, when it unwinds, when that actually happens, forced selling of crypto ensues, that creates price crashes and you have an exodus in liquidity, which you already have a liquidity crisis in the space already. This could make it extremely worse. Right now in 2026, Bitcoin and the yen have a crazy link, guys. When the yen strengthens, the actual USD JPY pair goes down. Lately, it's been positive correlation, meaning yen up often pulls crypto in wild directions, talking wild volatility going upward. Short-term rapid yen surges can trigger sell-offs in risk assets like BTC, and we kind of see that right now. This is why the long holders, we're talking about those OG BTC holders, this is why they're actually selling right now. It's not the only factor. You have Fed policies, you have regulations, which we don't have yet. Elections play a big part to it as well. We have midterms coming up. But here's the thing, yen moves actually add fuel to the fire. We're talking about putting jet fuel on a bonfire that's already raging. Now, some experts also warn a big unwind could pressure crypto even harder, especially if the yen is below 150. So this is what we're watching. So let's go ahead and look ahead and conclude here. We're going to wrap this up. If the BOJ stays chill at 0.75%, we're talking about 75% on the rate, no hikes, no big interventions, right? Things may calm down and gradually go back to normal. But if the yen surges or rate hikes again, we're talking another hike, maybe 25 basis points or even 75 basis points. Watch out, guys. It's going to be a lot of renewed pain and we're going to see more selling. Here's the bottom line. The yen carry trade isn't dead, but it's very risky and it's weaker than ever. And here's a little shot for you crypto holders. Keep an eye out on the USD JPY pair. This pair is very, very interesting. And when it falls below 150, there's a warning sign to get everything together because we're going down. And I want to tell you this as well. Keep an eye on the Bank of Japan news as well, and don't over leverage. So what do you think about this? Let me know what's going on with you mentally. What are you doing? Are you holding? Are you running? Are you consolidated and getting yield in your stable coins? What are you doing? And with that, have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.
Forgiveness. Get it, that's your why my baby been about. Shit where your margin gave you go.